In this video, I will guide you how to draw vertical line in Excel. If you want a clean vertical line that stays perfectly aligned with your data column, using cell border is the best approach. For this, you need to select the column or the specific range of the cells where you want the vertical line to be appeared. For example, here, and then go to the Home tab on the top ribbon, and in the Found Grip, click the drop down menu of the border icon and select the right or left border depending on which side you want the line. I'll select the right border, and here you can see that a thin small line has been added. So if you customize the line for this, you need to select the range again and go to the border icon and click on the more borders. So in the format cell, click on the border tab, and here you need to select the color. For example, I'll select this blue one and select the style of the line. Here is the style of the line, and in the preview you need to click on the right side line to make it blue, and then click OK to apply, and here you can see that. And if you want to remove this line, select the data range, go to the border and select the no border, and you can see that. Moreover, if you need a line that you can move around freely, place anywhere on the sheet or stretch across chart, use the shape tool. For this, you need to go to the insert tab on the ribbon and click on the shapes. Click on this illustrations and click on the shapes and select the standard line tool. And now click and drag on your sheet to draw the line. For this, you need to hold down the shift key while dragging the line. This forces the line to be perfectly 100% straight vertically like this one. So once it is drawn, the shape format tab will appear up at the top. You can use the shape outline, click on that and click on the weight and select the weight. For example, 3 to 1 by 4 pt, and again go to the shape outline and select the color of your choice, for example red one, and here you can see that. You can also make it dotted. Again go to that and click on the dashes, and here you can select the dash. Now once it is selected, you can move anywhere in the cell. However, you can also make a duplicate copy by Ctrl+T to make another vertical line and place anywhere in the sheet. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how to draw vertical line in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.